account or your, so there's just a few variables. I just haven't figured out a comprehensive way to do it. But okay,
Cool.
let's go.
Okay. We'll be live approximately now. Yeah.
We're live. Okay, good. Do you want to? Let's see here. Should we share your screen?
Yeah, sure. Let's do that. Um, and I will share screen desktop too. Yeah. Okay.
Right. Okay. So the first things first. This is good, but can we go to another
Yeah.
browser tab and go to the GitHub repository? Type in.
Yeah.
There you go.
Rockin'.
And there's only 2 bits that you need, right?
Oh, cool.
The pipeline assumes 3 things. It assumes you've got one Git repository for your Asciidoctor files.
Okay.
And that you've got a bunch of other Git repositories for the code. So
Yeah.
let's say each chapter has code, right?
Okay. I take it.
And so it assumes that you want to bring in the Asciidoctor files and all of these other Git repositories. And
Oh, nice. So I don't have to use submodules anymore.
No, that's and that's one of the things that like I used Netflix's Atlas, and they required this janky submodules workflow, and it was just a nightmare. I ended up writing scripts to remember to commit correctly, otherwise it would update the module, and it's just
I have what is it?
Yeah.
I have this. Yeah. There's like a bunch of shell scripts which I had to run. Or wait, yeah. Introduction. Yeah. Update subtree.sh and like it's just like yeah.
Sweet. Oh yeah. Sweet. Okay.
Okay.
So basically, you need a pipeline, which is the thing that will. Oh, and this is the other thing that's kind of the way it works is you make a change to the Asciidoctor files.
Yeah.
And that triggers the sample pipeline. It actually creates an event.
Cool.
That triggers the pipeline in sample pipeline, which in turn then clones all your Asciidoctor file and all your code, and builds the book for you, right?
Nice.
But it doesn't trigger, like you could do it, but I just haven't really done it. If you change the code and don't change the book, it doesn't regenerate the book.
Yeah, I mean that's whatever. That's fine. Yeah.
Type in space in your Asciidoctor file, push it, you'll get the same result.
Yeah.
Okay, so the pipe basically you want to create. What I would do is I'd create an org of your own.
Yeah, I got one. This is my high quality org.
Cool. Create a repository. I would just call it whatever, book pipeline or something.
Okay. Should I make it a fork of your thing or a fresh pipeline?
Yeah, that's even easier.
Hells yeah.
Hopefully it all works. I haven't used it in a minute, but.
I mean, right now it's just like, but yeah, hopefully it'll be good. We'll find out.
You've got great brain for Python and data science.
My Python is definitely. I spent the past like year and a half in the JVM, and like I have definitely gotten a little over dependent on my type system. But that's okay. It's not the worst. Yeah, yeah. I actually need to play around with putting type hints in notebooks and figuring out how that works, but I haven't gotten to that yet.
Right. Yeah, I haven't even thought about notebooks. That's a good point. Are you using like pandas or what are you using?
Yeah, so the notebooks are Jupyter notebooks. It's actually it's so much fun. I have a cluster physically down in Fremont, where I have like a bunch of little servers, and so yeah, these are just like this is my Jupyter hub that's down in Fremont, and like this is my notebook, like playing with shit, which is hilarious because like so yeah. Anyways, whatever. One of the things which like throws me for a loop with it is that like when it boots up when the cluster starts, it'll start scheduling jobs immediately, but even if there's only a head node, it'll still schedule jobs.
Oh
And
no.
so that's okay, and it kind of makes sense. But like, anyway, sorry, it's detours.
Oh, I'm with you. I'm just that's really cool. I would love to learn about this. See, this is the kind of stuff I don't know. I mean,
I mean, yeah. If you ever want to go to Fremont together and like play with physical servers,
yes.
it's
Is it nice and air conditioned? Is it freezing?
oh, it
My
is freezing cold. I bring a hoodie every time I go.
yeah. Okay. That's. I used to go. I mean, people don't remember. We used to have to go into servers
Yeah,
physically and like put a serial cable in and actually work with them. And you know, I did that. I carried a pager. My goodness,
yeah,
it was different, man. Um. Okay. So sample pipeline. You cloned it.
yeah.
This. Okay. So let's see. What do we have to do? I go to look for application.properties. That's the first bit I
Okay,
expect.
I'm gonna clone it locally so I can.
Sure.
Yeah. Okay, cool. Let's go. Cool.
So what's happening here? Basically, that pipeline, it's a GitHub Actions job that runs a Spring Boot process,
I
the
dig
Spring
it.
Batch process. So um, for now, to keep things simple, you might want to like disable all those, make public, make Mobi enable equals false, make
Hmm. Sure.
optimize. Which one we want something more. Simplest thing that could possibly work. This gives us a PDF. I'll be very happy, or HTML even.
Yeah.
And then what this assumes is you've got a document repository where you keep your Asciidoctor files, and you've got sample code I use. But it really is, I guess, arbitrary. You can have multiple chapters. You can have multiple Git repositories in the same chapter.
Yeah.
Nothing enforced about it. The cardinality is not required.
So I tend to put all of my samples in one like repo, so I might just
In,
do that. Although, okay, the HTTP one instead. Let's do that. Hells yeah.
okay. And then where is it gonna? So down there, you want to comment out the.
Yeah.
Not sure if you want to comment out the last one. The S3 one is probably the. And then that, yeah. Where's it gonna push the changes to? Where's it gonna push the artifacts?
I like pushing it to the artifact branch. I dig it. Let's go. So I'll start with the learning desk book.
Okay.
So we'll do that one. And this is task. Cool.
So you've got the Asciidoctor files in the main branch in learning desk. You've got the artifacts in the artifacts branch.
Yeah. So there's book.asciidoc, chapter 1, index, preface.
That might work. I don't know. Can you go see what the sample book looks like in my org?
Yeah, I dig it. How? Oh, you've got. Okay, so you have an index.adoc.
Yep.
Okay.
Just logical chapters.
Yeah, so you just do includes in the same way that I do. Okay, I dig it. Oh, and you've got
Oh yeah.
some sorry, this is cool.
I'm not even sure if I think they probably are. I don't know. Let's figure it out. We'll see. And there's a cover there. Cover.jpg.
Nice.
I would just clone that or make sure you've got something as similar to that as possible so we can get a global.
Yeah, let's go to learning desk. So I'm gonna go over to. I'll do a git mv index.asciidoc to index.adoc. Yeah, because why not? Yeah. Index.adoc. Okay, there's actually literally nothing in there. Looks like, so let's go ahead and get started. Oh, right, that's because my index, god damn it. Okay. Well, that's fine. Okay, yeah. index.adoc, rmsf. So get mv book.asciidoc to index.adoc. And then yeah. There we go. Okay. I don't have a cover yet, so
Use the one I have. Just if you need something.
I need. Okay, yeah. Here. Get a photo of my dog. Come on. There we go. Save image as.
The book image that I'm using is. The image that I'm using is scaled for Kindle Direct Publishing. You know, the default book size they give you.
Yeah. Got here. Get add cover.jpg. Git commit am, or yeah. Oh wait, what's in your styles directory? Do you have a styles directory? You do.
Yeah. Like I would just copy all that for now, just to be on the right side of this thing.
Sounds good.
Just to get it working end to end.
Let's do that.
I just want to see it work. It's been a long time since I've seen it work end to end.
Yeah. So let's grab
here.
styles. And I guess .github.workflows. .github. That's probably important. What's in your editor config? Huh. That's kind of cool. But yeah. Okay. Images. Okay, and I'll get mv or mkdir images. MV cover images. Git add styles. Git add .github. Bring over the sample book. Cool. Git diff git commit -am. Okay. Oh wait, whatever. Bad habit. That's fine. Close enough. Let's look at what's in your GitHub workflow.
Right. Okay. So this is you're gonna need a personal access filter. That's news to me. It's good to know.
Okay. So
what is that? That triggers the book build. So basically the whole thing exists so that it runs the script. So sample book. Whenever you change the sample book, there's ADOC files in there. Whenever you do anything, all that does is it runs that script, which sends an event to the GitHub API to cause a GitHub action to run. Trigger book build.
Oh, yeah, okay.
Very simple little curl.
Okay, cool. So
okay, that's new. You're gonna need a environment variable
called personal access token. And I'm gonna define that in the learning Dask thing, probably?
Yeah, I think so. This is the part where you know, like it would be interesting to see it work even before we even set this up. I mean, let's set it up because we should, but like it'll still get all the way to the end. It just you won't be able to see the result without the token. You'll see it print out as long as it doesn't blow up. But
oh, yeah, okay. So we can just do a git push right now and see what happens.
I think so. You know, yeah, make a change to both ADOC files. Actually, didn't you already do it?
Yeah, I changed it from Bootiful Asciidoc to scaling Python.
Oh, okay, so did it?
I haven't pushed it yet.
Okay. Let's see what let's go look at your GitHub actions for pipeline.
Okay, let's go look at actions. Okay.
Just a periodic thank you, GitHub, for providing this amazing thing.
Yes. Oh my God. I love free magic.
Oh, it's so good. It is. I used to use Travis, which is nice, but it's got more and more.
Travis is,
Like, oh,
yeah, just not increasing in quality.
no. But thank you, Travis, and now especially thank you, GitHub. Okay, so did that work? I don't even know. Look at your actions up there.
So if I go to actions,
Is this the pipeline? And then you go to CI. Nothing is run. Why? Is the branch old? Remember they changed from master to main?
oh, no, I think it's a new, yeah, it's main. Oh,
What does my sample have? Is it still on the old world?
yeah, good catch. Okay. Is there anywhere else? No, it looks good. Okay. Cool. So do I guess actions? Okay, hell yeah. Do.
Okay, I'm just sorry, I'm running stuff down.
Build. Wait, why is it green? That's weird. There's no.
Well, because all that does is it triggers the pipeline, right? This is the
Oh.
Asciidoctor.
Okay.
All this does. Oh, see, bad credentials. So we didn't even get that far. So you do need to get the personal access token.
Wait. Oh yeah, but it says oh, it says success because set. Okay. Cool. Okay, so it'll probably fail, and now we can figure out. I don't actually know. Like I haven't configured GitHub Actions before because like I just always end up.
Yeah, just find what do you get? It's a GitHub account. I'm not sure if it's tied to a particular repository or if it's tied to your general.
Oh, like I know how to get a personal access token. I just don't know where to put it. Yeah.
In the variables, you go to secrets and then you add that.
Oh, hell's yeah.
So
Okay.
what I would do is I would put it in an organization for scaling Python ML.
Oh, yeah.
So go down, scroll down. There you go, and it says manage organization secrets, which is very helpful. And then you say new organization secrets.
Okay. What's our secret called?
I think it's GH_PAT, which is me being lazy and not letting this
Yeah, we'll just give it to all of them. I'm gonna drag this over to another screen, so that I don't live stream my password immedially. I'll just do that later by mistake.
Check it. Same thing. Would you excuse me? I've been drinking a lot of
Yeah,
water.
yeah, yeah. Go for it. I'm gonna generate a personal access token and dump it in, and we'll see. Okay. Publish magic. Okay. So I'm gonna generate this token, and then I will save it here. And then I'm gonna grab something that isn't my personal access token and put that on my clipboard so I don't stream it immediately. And while Josh is off doing that, I guess git rm update subtree, and so let's go git commit -m. We don't need subtrees anymore, and we'll push.
Subtrees are, like, Git is hard enough, right? Subtrees just makes it mind-bending for me.
Oh my god. And especially when working with co-authors, like, because like I love my co-authors, I do, but how do I say that?
We all have to retrain on the new workflow.
Yeah, and we're all used to different workflows, and I'm normally the one who sets up the workflow because that's just like who I am. And so then I normally end up being also the person who is like dealing with the fact that someone decided to update the subtree directly inside, and I'm just like, okay, I think this is what your code, like what you were trying to do, but I'm just guessing at this point. And then it's like, no. Okay. Oh, hello, Professor Timbit. Okay. Let's see what happened. Oh, and it even stars it out. Fancy.
Let's go to that sample pipeline and see if it ran. Now that might still fail. You don't know. Oh, you don't have a sample pipeline. Why does it think you need to have a sample pipeline?
Wait, I'm confused. Wait. Okay. Let's go here. Wait, what? Oh. Wait, okay. Oh. I can't spell. No? Okay. Oh, right, because, the repo, the API versus the meow meow. Okay. Fine. Sample pipeline. Actions? Oh! No. Okay, actions? No.
Okay.
Oh.
I didn't enable them. That's the first part.
That would explain why there was no, I believe.
Rerun the book, which will trigger the sample pipeline action.
There was a problem requesting jobs. Okay. Let's see what happens. Okay. And then we go over here.
Okay, something happened. Okay.
Update event. Hells
So
yeah.
This is where it's going to actually run Java code and actually do the work. Who knows what shatter. Hey, I'm proud of myself for using Java 11. I was half expecting to see Java 8 there. So this pipeline, like, there's a bunch of corner cases that become more interesting once we've gotten the basic hello world to work.
I dig it.
Specifically around like optimizing the PDF and like compressing it, and, all that kind of stuff. So it actually installs some Ruby dependencies and all that. It's a hot tire fire of like getting the tool chain to work, and I'm just glad it's all encapsulated into GitHub Actions, so I don't have to worry about it for the machine ever again.
Yeah, I feel you. Yeah. Oof. Okay.
So it is building the Java code. The Java code uses something called Spring Batch, which is just it's a great way to just orchestrate a batch job. Right?
Cool.
You have lots of steps that have state. In this case, there's just several steps. One thing is it concurrently Git clones all the repositories, and then it runs Asciidoctor against them, and there's different processors that get plugged in. Whatever. It's just so you can.
Yeah, I take that. So when this triggers, this is okay. So this is inside of publish book artifacts, and if we go back and think and look at our sample workflow, a sample pipeline. Okay.
That's the So basically, the environment variables are saying that you have those environment variables, right? You can see you need a Git username and you need AWS to publish your books to these output destinations.
Yeah.
The on triggers. Oh, but that's a good point. We main or master?
Yeah, this says master. We should. Oh, but I forked yours, so I'm gonna have master because I did a fork,
Okay,
right?
now, distasteful though it is, let's just see if we can get it to work.
Yeah, yeah. Well, we can fix it later.
Switch it out. We definitely should switch it out. But the 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 trigger, it's saying that it's going to get run on three different things. So if you change the code, upward.
Oh no, I mean probably not you. Oh, let's go take a look. Where did we fail? Cannot create enum.
There's no environment variables for AWS, which means we got to the part where it's trying to publish to AWS, which is good.
Interesting.
Although it is a question. So up there,
yeah.
What if you were to comment out the AWS underscore bits?
Yeah.
You still need to get username and password. Maybe that's not going to work anymore. So comment that out. That's the thing I was telling you about earlier that might not work anymore because of
the API change.
API change where no passwords are being allowed directly. So I might comment both those out.
Okay. What? Okay. Well. Okay.
Just see if it goes end to end.
Oh, okay. Okay. Okay, interesting. Interesting. Okay. So
Let's just get it to work. If it gets, what it's going to do is it's going to build the pipeline and it'll have the artifacts in the GitHub action in the local server, which you won't be able to get to, but it won't fail. If we can see that it doesn't fail, then it's just about getting the last bit.
yeah. Oh, okay, no, I did change that. Okay, cool. Okay. So, cool. Is that going to re-trigger itself, or should I... It looks like...
Oh yeah, you can change the pipeline itself directly. That'll trigger the build as well.
Nice. Okay, so I should probably rename the sample pipeline, like later. But like I'll rename the sample pipeline to like learning Dask pipeline.
Yeah,
cool.
You're gonna have multiple pipelines at the same board.
Yeah, I'll have two, at least initially. Oh god. Huh. I wonder if I remember to eat lunch.
That's a good idea. I've been eating purposely spicy foods to trigger the allergic reaction, trigger like the congestion and the trying to dislodge some of that sweet phlegm nuggets.
Oh, all right. Let's see if this works.
This should get cached the next time. Your pipeline won't re-download the world each time.
Yeah, but it probably only caches on success, I'm guessing.
I think so, yeah. And you're also using my JFrog Artifactory repository, so thank you, JFrog. The internet is made of services that I live and without which we don't like it.
Yeah. No, I feel you. Okay. Progress. Well, maybe progress. It says progress. Would it lie to me? Oh, the numbers went backwards. Maybe it is lying to me.
We went from 2020 to from 2019, and we're like, oh, this is gonna be so much better, and then
it was not. No.
Maybe not. Went backwards.
That was a substantial rollback.
Yeah. I saw the.
Oh.
Oh, it's so bad it blanked out. It broke GitHub Actions.
Okay. Could not resolve placeholder git username. Okay.
So clearly you need one of those. But the question is,
let's put that back in for now. Yeah.
Yeah, but you're gonna have to set that environment variable into secrets. Can you scroll down? I would love to see. So this is your sample pipeline. Let me go see what I've got in my sample pipeline. It should be documented, but
Git GitHub Actions push to GitHub branch.
Okay, yeah. In my sample pipeline, I have several secrets, which is fun. That's fun.
Okay. I mean, I could probably push using a personal access token, right? Like, even though they don't allow passwords, I bet if I gave it my GitHub username
And the token, that should work.
and the token, it would probably work.
Right. That's worth documenting.
Yeah.
Let's try
I mean,
it.
let's try it first before we document it, because yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna go back to settings, and then we're gonna go down to secrets. Wait. Okay.
Organization.
Organizations. No, I thought it was secrets organizations.
It's yeah. You go to the organization first, and then you go to the settings for that.
Okay, let's go to. So this is going to be scaling Python ML, and then secrets. Okay, cool. And I'm gonna make a new organization secret. GitHub username. Yeah. And our GitHub.
Yeah, it's I've got git username, git underscore username. I'm sorry.
Oh,
Git underscore repository URI and GHPAT, all under organization secrets. So you should have the same.
Okay. Git username. Git password. So I think. What was the other thing that you had under secrets?
Well, okay, I'm gonna put the list of variables that I have, but the thing is, you shouldn't show the Zoom chat on the screen.
Yeah, because it's got our addresses in it.
Yeah, so put that somewhere else.
I don't know where my chat is. How about you DM it to me on Twitter, because I can open that in a separate tab.
Okay, sorry about that.
It's okay.
You don't need all of those. Just start with a git and gh ones.
Okay. So do we? Okay, I have a theory.
Okay.
And this is based on complete randomness. I am gonna try doing this.
Yeah.
I think. This is my theory.
Trigger the sample pipeline and see if it actually works in the ideal configuration, given the changes.
Yeah? Or no? Wait, what?
Wait, sorry, it was other screen.
Oh, okay. So I'm gonna GHPAT in place of git password. Yeah. I think this might work. From what I thought I could use my, but I could be wrong. There's a really good chance I'm wrong. But that's pretty normal. Okay, let's see. Yeah. Huh. Were you pushing to Artifactory?
Yes, maybe. I don't know. I'm not even sure if you need that. If we can fix that pretty easily.
No, I mean, it's fine. I've got Sonatype creds if I need to push.
Go down to the script in the GitHub Actions. See what it says. Oh, go back. Maven D skip test clean package. So no, you don't need the Artifactory.
Yeah.
I would probably for the other repos in the Bootiful Asciidoctor. Yes, I'm publishing. Because you're not doing a Maven deploy there.
Yeah. Yeah, okay, that makes sense. Yeah, you probably published your stuff. Yeah. Okay. Well, Actions checkout succeeded, so that's something.
Didn't break the very basic mechanism of cloning stuff from your head.
I am confident in our ability to fuck it up. If I'm confident of anything, it's that.
We probably can comment out the configure optimizer binaries for the moment, just to fast forward a little bit.
Oh, can we wait? Where is so that's oh, here we go. I'll push that next time though. We'll
Sure. Just give one successful run, like a legit successful, not just. Did you set, script on this shell script as well?
I mean, so this isn't a shell script.
Right, but there is. Isn't there a script? Build and run. Oh, there's no script. You're right.
Yeah, and it's implicitly strict because of the way how.
GitHub action.
Yeah.
Come on, GitHub action.
Okay. Do.
Is it caching? Did I?
No, we haven't succeeded at caching yet. But I mean, part of that is like we haven't had a successful run.
Right.
Right? Because there is a separate cache step down at the bottom.
Right.
Yeah. Hmm. Oh. I have to go outside at some point. Into the real world. I'm not looking forward to. Okay. This progress is tempting me, but the numbers are just like random. It's like 3, 5, 2. Yeah. Okay. Do. Magic computer box. Oh, yeah. Okay. How we doing? I'm so excited for my on-call rotation to be done.
Well, it's failing in new and exciting ways if it's gonna fail.
Is it?
I mean, last time it took a lot longer. Sorry, a lot less time. It's taking longer this time. Oh, something's.
It looks like it made a PDF.
Yeah, that's the. As long as we get through this, then I'll know it's successfully doing the basic job. The only trick is gonna be getting it to chuck those artifacts somewhere we can actually get them.
Yeah. Please consider. Huh. Yeah. Oh. Yo. Yo. And it's probably going to succeed at caching this time.
Oh, yes. That'll make the next run much more pleasant.
Yeah. Okay, so I can uncomment the optimizer stuff. Or actually, yeah. I'm gonna. We'll leave this in. Yeah.
No, I would keep it. I would comment it out now, just because again, the optimizer is optional. It's once you've got the basic workflow going.
Okay, so it would have pushed. Oh. Wait, which branch would it push to? Does it? Oh, sorry. Which repo does it push to? View all branches. Nothing in sample pipeline. Nothing in learning DAS. I don't see an artifacts branch being created anywhere yet. Huh. Okay. So this ostensibly worked. Let's go take a look at the end of build and run. Yeah? So Okay.
Origin artifacts. That seems.
Oh, error encountered an error on executing step document publisher in job Asciidoctor.
Right. That's what I expect. So we need to. Do we have a branch called? Can you git clone that info and do git checkout -b artifacts? I think you.
Oh,
I think the pipeline could do better there to actually set up the branch.
okay, and that's going to be in the learning task one, yeah? Or is it in sample pipeline?
Yeah, that's where it should. The sample. No, it should be in the. Where does it go after? Let me check. Is it sample pipeline or? No, it's in the book itself. So the ASCII files.
Okay.
Artifact.
Hmm. Okay, no. Git branch minus D. How do I make an empty branch? I don't know.
Check out minus. Oh, you know, I don't know.
Yeah, okay.
Check out the and then the everything.
RM images, git rm minus r dot slash. Cool. Everything. One day I'll learn Git. Okay. Push it upstream and retrigger that build, yeah?
Yes.
Although, oh wait, no, I'll retrigger it by pushing the commented out optimizer. Yeah. Git diff. Skip optimizer bins. Yeah. And so then this will run again. Actions. Cool. And this will hopefully run much, much faster. And then we will achieve moderate success. Uh-oh. Oh, shit. Okay, cool. Everything's fine.
I'll be right back in half a second.
I take it. Okay. Ah, index file not found. Oh, include file not found. What? Oh, yeah. Okay, that makes sense. That's my bad. Whatever, that's fine. It looks like it's while we're here, I can fix that, I guess. Index.adoc. Drop index.sts. We'll inline the index. Oh, all right. Oh, shit. Except not the branch that I want to be on. Okay. Okay. Cool. So, okay. Let's go to learning task. Artifact. Yo, check it. Check it. That's our 2-bit. The world's jankiest table of content. But yeah.
Nice.
Yo, this looks way more pro. Okay, yeah. So this is the, but yeah, hells to the yeah.
So now, just that
Th-
is so cool. I'm glad it works. That was that's very satisfying for me to see it do its trick.
Thank you so much. Yo, this is awesome.
Oh, thank you. I think this is, I just hope they'll maybe you publish a maybe I can get a copy.
Oh yeah, no, girl,
Like,
of course,
oh,
of course. And I'm gonna do some like settings on this thing to like branches. Can I name it here? No, okay. Um okay, options, repository name, we're gonna switch this to learning Dask pipeline. And then the next thing I'm gonna do here in my learning Dask pipeline, which, okay, MV sample pipeline to learning Dask pipeline.
this is great. Actually, I'm having a really great moment here. Before I was talking to you, my friend, some colleagues asked me for some help, and I was able to spend just a few minutes with them, and then I got to see you, and I haven't seen you in forever.
Mhm.
Obviously, I miss you, and so I've been sick for a couple weeks, and before that, I'm in Hawaii for 3 weeks, so it's been like 5 weeks without doing anything useful. Today, I get to win
Hells yeah.
handedly. I wasn't directly involved, but I got to be a witness.
No, you were directly involved. This is hella win. Switch to main. Okay, and then what we'll do here is once I've pushed that, I can go into settings. And then it's like, is it branches? Yeah. Branches. I can change this to main, right? Wait, where's, okay, add it. There we go. Oh, damn it. Okay. Oh, is there, there we go. Switch to another branch, main. There we go. I understand. Update the default branch. Hells yeah. Party City.
This is cool.
This is so
Can
rad.
you review the artifacts repo?
Yeah.
Actually, you should try kicking out one build just to make sure everything works. With
Oh yeah. I'm gonna have to update for one thing learning Dask, Git workflows, publish book, because our pipeline repo name is now gonna be learning Dask pipeline. Cool. And so that's a new push. And then if we go here and we go to actions, we should see it. And if we go back to scaling Python ML, learning Dask, artifacts. Yeah.
1 second ago. Is that the one?
Mm, It's not super clear which one it's coming from, but yeah, that 35 seconds ago sounds about right on the money.
Yeah.
And like, I'm just like super stoked that this works. Ah,
Do. So let me show you very briefly what's happening in
Yeah.
that directory there. The screen PF, a lot of people buy, like some services will let you sell a screen PDF.
Yeah.
So that's convenient. The pre-press one, in theory, you can take to Amazon KDP and to LeanPub. You can upload both of them. You can just take that artifact, upload it to both.
Oh, nice.
KDP will actually print it for you, so people can order a printed
Print copies. Oh yeah.
And then what else? And then there's the HTML and What other ones are there?
I think there is
EPUB.
Mobi, but I have it disabled.
So the
Uh,
Mobi one, that didn't Amazon disable that or get rid of
yeah,
it?
Amazon got rid of Mobi.
So you don't
Um,
need it anyway then. But
yeah,
that one's a real pain in the butt. You have to set up Kindle Gen and like, don't bother. It's a
yeah. This is awesome. Yo, I'm
good.
so
And it's
stoked.
you can disable the HTML and the EPUB. You can actually just like if you're not going to use the other ones, then don't bother producing them. You know.
I mean,
And what else? There's actually an API. I wrote a library that has an API. So if you wanted to hack on the code, like you can do things like for different versions of the book, you can have it bring in ISBNs.
hmm,
Like you have to buy. Did you know you have to buy your own ISBN now?
yeah.
So you're gonna want to get a printed. You want to get like a JPEG of all the different ISBNs, and then have it like go to epub/isbn.jpg or whatever
Hmm,
prefers for screen. You know, you want to like parameterize it somehow, and you can do that very easily. So you can dynamically include content specific to each edition.
that's cool.
One thing, like I didn't know this, but you have to have a different ISBN for not only for every version, not only for every iteration of the book, but also for every version of it. So version 1.0 of Mobi is different from 1.0
Huh.
of EPUB, which is different from 1.0 of PDF.
Okay. I'll
Um,
get a few.
yeah, yeah, you can buy like packs, like parcels, whatever. You can buy like 10.
Yeah, I'll buy the Costco pack.
Yeah, yeah. All right, great. I'm so happy to. Yeah. And I've got some work to do. That's
Okay,
awesome.
awesome. Thanks for hanging out. I really appreciate it. Yeah, it's good to see you again, man. I hope I like speedy recovery.
Thanks. Likewise, I'm so happy to see you. It's been a minute. I like stupid pandemic.
Yeah, yeah. The pandemic really just sucks the fun out of a lot of life, but that's okay. Thanks.
Thank you.
I'm so stoked, and I'll definitely I'll send a print copy your way once I finally get there. But like, give me like a good year or two to like get these done.
I'll take a PDF. You don't even have to send it.
Oh, no, no, no.
I just want the PDF because I can read it on my iPad. You know?
Okay, okay. Fair. Yeah, yeah. I mean, the PDFs are just going to be published online, right? Like, I'm.
I'm hoping it's free for you to share it. I don't want to cost you anything. Thank you.
Thank you so much. I'll.
Bye, friend.
Yeah.